Hi, good morning. It's about, well, 0 degrees. Well, the feeling is zero. I think it's about 3 degrees. But this is where the fillies always are. And I show you what they are doing. They are digging holes. So here's one, and over there, and over here, and also over here. So I'm not happy about that. Bauke isn't happy about it. I tried to fix it again. Okay, I didn't fix this yet. The hole is gone, and that one, like every day, and they can stay here. The fillies. Boukje, Lomke, Bella. Yes, that's a hole too. They did dig that too. And Yvke. Hey, Sally. Hi. Sally, Risey, Teije Rein, Dolly en Rijntje. Hey Dolly. Hi. Hey jongen. Bella. And one of the fillies just broke the wire. I fixed it again. And the others. The other side. Hey, hey Bella. Bella, stop. Hey Risey. Hello. What's up? Hey Rijntje. And Bella. Oh, I go. Bye. I'm going to clean the stalls again. Oh no. Bauke, what did you do? What happened? I help. Okay, that was a lot of work, but Bauke succeeded. And now I wanted to ride Teije Rein. But first, I want to show you something. Risey, Sally, Rijntje, and Dolly. I separated them again. In the evening I do it a lot, and now I thought I'd do it also this morning. And it goes very well with Dolly and Rijntje. And I wanted to ride, but earlier this morning the horses were in the arena, so there is poop and more poop and poop and more. And there's a hole again, kind of. So first I make a round. Hey! While I fill the water, I get some poop. Hey Dolly. Rijntje. Sally. Risey. En Teije Rein. Hey Dolly. I'm going to try to put Yvke and Boukje in this stall for today. And Bella and Blomke over here. We try. Blomke, Yvke, Boukje and Bella. And they can also go to the arena. Come. So you can play. Boukje. Blomke. And Bella. Yvke was barking. That's what I mean. Boukje. Oh, Blomke, sorry. Bella. Oh, they are a bit frisky. And I don't know where to film. They are going very fast. That's Yvke. Bella. Blomke. And I'm standing here with my whip. So they stay away from me. Yes. It's a bit dangerous. Oh, Lomke and Bella. Well, I really like them all. Hey, Bella. Hey. No? Bella. Bella thinks I'm lunging her. Goed zo, braaf. Oh. Yes, goed zo. Hey, Yveske. Hey, Bella. Yeah, she knows there's something to eat in my pocket. But hey, I don't want her that she's always begging. So, no, sorry. Hey, Boukje. Hey. Yveske? Wait a moment. Yeah, it's gone again. Thank you. Kom maar. Yveske, Lomke, Bella en Boukje. Boukje can go there. Yveske, stay there. Kom maar, Blomke. Kom maar. Hallo? No. Goed zo, Blomke. Bella, you can go there now. Yeah, I know this is your stall, but hey, we do it like this. Boukje, Yveske en Dolly. Siblings. Sisters. And I think this evening I do Dolly again together with Reintje. Hey. Hey, Dolly. Peach, Daisy, and Glendy. I don't like it. She's getting more and more lame. Okay, I'll let them together again. Reintje and Dolly. Hey, Daisy. And I think tomorrow I do it again. So it really is time for weaning. Boukje en Yvke. Sally, time to lunch her again. Goed zo. Oh. Hallo? Oh, goed zo, braaf. Eraf. Eraf. Risey. Now it's Risey's turn. But I thought I use this halter again, but it's too small. Oops. His head is bigger than before. Yes. Here it's good, but this is, yeah, really tight. Oops. And his halter says, miracles do happen. Risey. That's Yvke. En Blomke. Hey. En Boukje. En Risey. And there's Bella. Boukje. Hey Blomke. Goed zo. Braaf. Hey. Kom. Oh. Goed zo. Braaf. Goed zo. Oh, stappen. No. Oh. Draf. Goed zo, Risey. Let op. Galop. Galop. Oh. No, that's the wrong counter. Galop. Galop. Ja. Goed zo. Kom. Hey. Galop. Kom. Goed zo. No. Oh. Goed zo. There are the horses, and I'm here. I take the wire out, so a lot of work, but hey, I like horses. Time for pellets and some carrots.